Yeah, because you had more wine than me, so I will drive back.
What?
Remember, we are one.
Yeah,
So
not no one, not two, somebody with one, somebody.
when you're married, they become one.
Nothing I go so.
My hand become your hand.
No, if one of your hand chop off, you know, give one of your finger. Okay.
Oh, you know that?
Welcome, guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So, tonight is our second anniversary, me and my husband. So, we're going out for dinner, and it's really, really nice that we're able to go out because we don't do this very often. Because if you know how Jamaican men stay, they don't like to eat out. Them want the everyday oxtail and rice and peas, especially my husband. I don't know what is in rice and peas, but this man will cook rice and peas even 3 times for the week. Like this is just crazy. So tonight we'll go out and eat something different, for a change, which I am so looking forward to. Okay.
That's what you call it.
Okay, thank you very much. Blessing.
That's wrong with you.
Yes, guys, I'm going out tonight. Ooh.
Okay, guys, get ready with us. Tonight I'm wearing this nice little pink dress from Shein. It was I think $20 or $25, something like that. Um, I don't know if you guys saw my Shein haul before, but this was one of the dresses in the Shein haul in my Shein haul. Yes. So the other day, I saw some people licking out Auntie Dana in Jamaica saying because she said that the people are not supporting the Jamaican igglers who are selling clothes in the market because of Shein. Shein lick out the people them out of business. Okay. The thing is, Shein you can get so many little things with $100. You know what I mean? And if you go into the market with $100, you're not gonna get anything much because it's cold price. They're so expensive. Because I remember when I used to like go there to shop for like Grand Market or any other little special occasion, right? $5,000 for one little piece of skirt, $5,000 for one top, and that was like almost 20 years ago. So just imagine how much more expensive things has gotten right now, right? So then another than I look out for the people them, but the people them off the shop which put their hand where them their hat where them hand can reach it. Okay? Because on Shein you can get so much for the $100 and the quality is good. Like look at this dress that I'm wearing tonight. It's very nice. Like it's simple, it's nice, and it's affordable.
Take you a different time, okay? On my watch. Yeah, we'll take you a different time. Don't worry.
So why do always daddy come with you?
Yeah, just tonight.
Tonight and I want to come. Maybe fine. It's not a
Oh yeah, I like this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put on some of my little shimmer. My hand is slippery. Hmm. See if you can see the glitter. I'm gonna put on my Bridgerton.
Why you doing first?
Huh?
Want you to brush your first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh my god, you charge
And
it?
this
No?
one. Yeah, I charged it for you.
Is that?
It was. It was Vicky. So good, guys. I'm ready, guys.
So cute.
Can you pass me my shoes then, Mickey?
Okay, guys, so these are the shoes that I wanted to wear tonight, but yeah, it's not gonna happen. Outside is freezing cold. I don't think it's worth it to wear these shoes and go outside to freeze. Not at all. Okay, so I'm not wearing these. Me I find some boot, some long boot, some long warm boot to put on and go. Okay.
Oh, you want to put no?
No, I don't want to go to
A church. Hi. Okay, say hi. Let's say hi.
My way on your neck.
Oh my goodness. Hi. Fishing at this time of the night, Mickey?
Yeah?
I don't think so.
I would do with your neck warmer.
You guys are gonna go downstairs to Auntie Dana's son, okay?
We have to go to the downstairs to now.
Mm-hmm.
And you can go come.
Yeah, she's Leslie will come too. Church thing. Take this out. I'll look at it in here.
There's a 6-minute slowdown caused by a crash on Merivale Road in 500 meters. You are still on the best route.
Okay, guys, we are on our way. All right. Oh, like a front end. Okay, traffic free up here now. Okay, guys, so we're going to Chopstick House and Bar. Okay.
Yes, we're going inside to eat piece of this golden calf here.
Huh? That's the steak.
That's the steak. Yeah, wait, see me come pull over here. You know, easy. Yeah, must you know for yourself.
Thank you, sweetie. They have seafood, chicken. I don't know what you want. Cheers.
So we ordered 2 daiquiris, strawberry for myself and pina colada for him. Yes, my drink was very nice. Love, love, love it.
What?
So one of these make it fun,
Then our food came. I ordered like a medium well done steak, which lobster tail and I added shrimp. My husband had the oven roasted chicken with shrimp and mashed potato. I think mine was baked potato. But guys, with I think he had some like squash and some what do you call it? Brussels sprout or yeah, something like that. But the food was off the chin. This is a place to go for steak. When I say I love my steak, I love my steak. My steak tasted so good. Mm.
Food was good, guys. You see that? Everything finished.
This straw put me over here.
You know, see that on the menu? Bailey's coffee. Bailey's coffee. You see that? Listen, I'm gonna take a note. Okay, guys, my New York cheesecake is here. So good. Você a planta que é o homem.
So I took a bathroom break, yes, and I'm telling the bathroom I loved it. It was so nice in there and so clean. Yes, big thumbs up. I have to say that I really had fun tonight. It was such an amazing night out with my boo. And we don't do this often, as I said before, so this was really nice.
Yeah, it big like a pocket, man. You got this. Happy anniversary.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.